Now moving on to departments. Departments is basically if you have a business and you have your sales staff, technical support, HR, human resources, whatever you have for departments, you're going to be adding and deleting. Um, if they have the default they have right now, you can add right now, say human resources. You can add um,
Accounting.
you can add operations. Now, this is pretty simple. It's basically the caller is going to call in. It's going to say, "Welcome to Strichco. If you'd like to speak with sales, press 1. If you'd like to speak with technical support, press 2," and so on and so on. Now, each department has their own way of routing the calls. So there's different options. Your first option is call blast, which basically, if you have a bunch of users with sales, and you want the whole sales department to get blasted with the phone call so that whoever picks it up is the person that actually gets the phone call, you do call blast. If you want round robin, it's basically what it's going to do. It's going to pick the person that wasn't spoke to last time. So if you have a staff of 3 that are in sales, it's going to pick the first person who got the phone call, the next person who hasn't got that phone call, and so on and so on. And the next option is escalating. If you have a vice president vice president of sales, and then you have the guy underneath that and the guy underneath that, you can put it in the order that the phone call is supposed to be routed to. If he doesn't answer, it goes to Greg, and if Greg doesn't answer, it goes to Joe, and so on and so on. Now, each also option you have for audio, before finding a user, it could either say sales 1 moment, and then it's going to go on to a hold, or you can put your custom audio, whatever you feel fits your business. It also has the option for no one available. It'll just say nobody's available, or you have your custom audio. Now you have your options for after hours, which is this department follows standard business hours, or you can select this and just select the days that you would want for that user, or for that department, the days that you're working, if it's only Monday through Wednesday, or so on and so on, and the times. You hit save changes, and that simply saves the changes. That pretty much sums up departments.